What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back to another episode of Spark Your Life. In the last episode, you guys saw the time lapse of the floor going in. Today, we're installing cabinets. Yep, cabinets for our whole kitchen. They got delivered. They're sitting in the garage. We're gonna unload them, get them out here. If you can kind of see all those boxes in there. Boom, the garage is packed full of cabinets. So we're gonna go ahead, bring them in here, unbox them, start setting them up and putting them together, and you get this kitchen looking more like a kitchen. Here we go. All right, guys, so we finished putting the cabinets in. The guy's gonna come out and measure for the granite countertops next week. And hopefully 2 weeks after that, we'll have our granite countertops in. But I also have another surprise that happened while we were putting in cabinets. So we'll go around and we'll see. We've got, I know you guys saw a little bit of a time lapse, but we've got our bathroom cabinets in. There's gonna be a sink, some drawers, and then a sink back there. So that's all good and looks great. We've got our kitchen sink, dishwasher, and then this will be a peninsula that comes out and a foot overhang for like a bar. Got some cabinets up there. Back looking in here, we've got a smaller cabinet right here. Our stove will sit there. We've got a wine rack where we don't know where we're gonna put it yet. And then we've got some more cabinets, uppers, then the fridge will go right there. So we've got all that done. And then after that, we get our granite countertops in, and really we've just got a bunch of touch-up left to go through. So hopefully they'll be out pretty quick, and in the meantime we'll do some touch-ups, and hopefully there's just a few more videos and then we'll all be set and done, and we will go ahead and finish this house up. So don't forget to subscribe, like, go back, see some of the first videos. We did get some of our appliances in. Oh, and yes, the surprise. We've got carpet. So looks awesome. Came out really, really well. Kind of go back here. I know it's a little bit dark. But as you guys can see, we've got carpets in our bedrooms. Whoops, there we go. Carpets in the closet. I know, like I said, it's hard to see, but it's carpet. So we got all that put in. So that's super cool. And the stairs came out great. I'll walk down and give you guys a little shot of the stairs. Check that out. Looks awesome. I do apologize, I'm using my phone right now, so I know it probably won't be the best, but again, my camera ran out of battery doing the time lapse, so I'll move this right here. You guys can see I covered them in plastic, but looks great. So thank you guys so much again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and we'll see you next time on the next video.